welcome to our new video. We're gonna show you how to put in your radio in Fiat 500. So I bought a new radio. You know, the normal radio is not looking very cool based on the modern things. So what you got to do after removing after removing all this, the reason why I'm doing this video is like I put this video, this radio was not sitting well, so the main mistake I made, okay, the radio looks like this, you get me, so beautiful, you get me. So it wasn't sitting well, it was like somewhere somehow. So and I hired a professional to do this, and I spent money, a lot of money on doing this, but he didn't do the right job. So let me show the old radio. I think you know it. Yeah, this is the old radio, the way it looks like. I guess you know that radio. So, well, that's fine. This guy put in the radio. You can see this is a specific radio. It shows that it's for Fiat 500. You can see that. So this, I bought it from China. And yeah, so now this radio was one of the cheapest I could get. So what he did, this, you have to take out this. You don't have to put in this anymore, right? As long as your radio come like this. You see, this is the vent for your air. So now the guy put in the radio with this, so it was not getting in. That was the issue then. So it was amazing that I really got this for 2 days and it was bad. I could see something is not doing well here, so going well. So if you put in here, so it's gonna sit on top of this and it won't cover this and it won't touch here. The radio should touch. So drop that away, put in this. You can put in this. So it's up to you to close this or to open them. It's up to you. You can close them or you can open them. It's up to you. So what you can do, whatever you want to do. So put them in fine. So once that is done, so now the second thing is to do is to push all these cables inside. But also before you do that, you got to push in the wires inside. These all inside. Let me push them inside, then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna soak into these inside, then I will do what? I'll switch on the radio. But before you do that, you need to test. Me, I did test already, but if I switch on, you can see that the radio comes on, you see, 100%. So after, the connections are easy, because these wires, don't worry about these wires. These connections, you connect them to the normal connections you have. So now let's go. Hold for me, please. Yeah. No, here, the camera. Okay, well, so once you do that, you soak this inside nicely. Okay, soak them inside, put all the wires, cables inside. You don't need none of them here, so it will fit in nicely. But before, this guy did a mess up, so that's why I came back to try to do the best job for myself. Don't pay anyone, watch a couple of videos. But this radio is a unique radio. You might not find it anywhere in the videos, but once you get the same, then you can do the same what I'm trying to do. So yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Why is it? We don't have to force anything inside. Everything should go in the right way. Okay, once done, it has to sit 100%. You can see how it's sitting. sitting proper, everything is 100%. Then you switch on your radio, and yeah, all is okay. Let me go here. Let's go home. Yeah, so when you go home, there's something which I want to show you. It comes with USBs, so that USB cables, I did try to mount it here, but anyway, you can do your way. So I didn't want cables here, but I just put it this side, so you can put a USB on this side, because YouTube doesn't allow music. When you go to files, file manager, let's try and see file manager. The USB should show here down. You can see it's here. So when you click here, you can see all the music which is here. You can play one by one, right? Yeah, guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. The radio is working 100%, and I'm happy. I don't need anyone to get involved, because I spend money for nothing. Sure. And then, yeah.